Most shops are still doing by hand what a robot could be running automatically, and I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. Hey, how's it going everyone? Ron here from Tooling Around, presented by Pioneer Machine Sales. This week, we're looking at the LightBOT laser welding cell. This is what it looks like when you take the IPG LightWELD fiber laser and build a full automated welding setup around it. This cell includes a 6-axis FANUC robot, optional 2-axis tilt and rotary positioners, and can be outfitted with any IPG LightWELD fiber laser welder model. And the material range on this thing might surprise you. That combination gives you consistent welds and more complex parts, and a lot less variability in your process. You get faster speeds than TIG, lower heat input, and cleaner welds, so there's less cleanup when the job is done. Now here's the part most people don't think about until they're already speccing a job. This cell handles stainless and carbon steel from 28 gauge up to 3/8 inch thick, aluminum from 28 gauge up to 5/16 inch thick, and galvanized from 28 gauge up to 5/16 inch thick. The IPG units are made in the US and serviced by Pioneer. Run it as a turnkey system on a production line or set it up as a standalone job cell. Now we're getting into setup and integration in a future video, so subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. And visit pioneerlaserwelding.com for all your fabrication and welding needs.